Hey guys, what's happening? How to boost mobile network signal. First of all, go ahead to the settings, right? And go ahead to the general software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Now, what you're gonna do in order to boost a mobile network signal, go ahead to the cellular. You're gonna find the cellular data options. Go ahead and click, right? Click the voice and data. Make sure to set your network on 4G, right? And that will help you boost the mobile network signal, right? If you already set it on LTE, right, or 3G, just go ahead and switch to 4G so you can load data faster and boost the mobile network signal. And it's a hack if you want a powerful if you want a powerful signal. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.